How to get aim assist on Nintendo Switch Fortnite. First of all, what is aim assist? Aim assist is like a helpful friend for gamers using a controller, making sure everyone has a fair shot at having a good time in the game. It is not about cheating, instead, it gives you a little nudge to make aiming fair and balanced. So, how to turn or get aim assist on Fortnite? First, start the game on your console, and aim assist is available for console players, including those on Xbox, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, or Nintendo Switch. Access these settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Fortnite home screen and look for the cog icon and select it to open the settings menu. Within the settings menu, navigate to the controller options tab and look for the advanced option under the sensitivity heading and turn it on. Now, in the newly unlocked section, find the aim assist strength. Set this to 100% for maximum assistance. If you prefer a less pronounced effect, you can OPT for a lower percentage according to your preference. If you decide that you no longer want the assistance, then simply set the aim assistant strength to 0% and this will disable the feature entirely. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.